Hey you, I seen you click on the video. You have 5 seconds to subscribe or I'm going to eat all your food. Hello, my fellow tech enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to bring you some exciting news today. We're about to dive into the world of the latest innovations with the iPhone 15 Pro. Get ready for a fascinating journey as we explore its groundbreaking features and what they can do for you. First and foremost, let's talk about the game-changing promotion technology that this phone boasts. It takes your viewing experience to a whole new level, delivering an unbelievable 120 Hz refresh rate. This means you'll be treated to smoother scrolling and a more immersive visual experience, making your time with your phone even more enjoyable. And now, let's talk about the camera. The iPhone 15 Pro comes equipped with an exceptional 48-megapixel camera that's sure to impress even the most discerning photographer. The best part? It comes with a range of fantastic features that allow you to capture memories in ways you never thought possible. You can create stunning video portraits using just your subject, and there's no limit on how much footage you can record. But wait, there's more! The iPhone 15 Pro also offers a range of stunning new colors that are bound to turn heads when you whip out your phone. From vibrant hues like Hibernian red and Jamaican blue to classic shades like graphite, there's a color option to suit everyone's taste. And don't worry about charging issues, this phone is built for durability and comes with an impressive battery life that easily lasts over 24 hours. So there you have it, a quick peek into the fantastic world of the iPhone 15 Pro. I hope this has given you a taste of what this amazing device can offer and helped you decide if it's the right phone for you. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates and reviews like this one. Thanks for tuning in, folks.